Listen, I hope I'm not barging in on anything.
What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's sometimes.
But is that a good idea to try to fool people? To become other people and have it be seamless, maybe? I mean, I don't know. Is there a line, you know, with these deep fakes?
And I can't see you.
Can you? Or am I still photographed?
Feel good, and I think you're good when you do good, and when you eat meat. Not to
now called The Big Goodbye.
And then you don't get right.
That's if you go right, you're behind the bleachers.
Russian standard, but it was I used to hack it up real good.
I love fragrance.
Tell me about that.
Dynamics. And then the wide range of emotions that you...
Tropics flown in. I had them. They.
It's supposed to mean jujitsu, you know?
It's real.
You ready to?
Extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging music. I have no idea.
my show.
Killing it for you, boy. Killing it.